Guys, welcome back to the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio. And guys, it is hot in here, but we have the AC blasting on 19 and 70 degrees, like my birthday. And we have packages in here to be opened up for the studio. So let's do that right here and now. And inside of this box here is a lock and key for the new studio door. An actually expensive lock and key from Kwikset. Because if you guys know Kwikset, it's quality stuff. And right here, right now, is a box from Prime Video. Amazon Prime. I've been asleep for like 3 hours. You'll have to excuse my ridiculousness. Oh! We have the Eufy security lock, camera, and doorbell. So yeah, this is the new smart lock for the studio, for the production studio. We have a deadbolt and a regular lock. Also, the Jaguars just lost. Not good times. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed here in the studio. Wow, look at that production value right there, people. Check that out. Comes so nicely packaged, like this. Ready to rock. There's one side of the lock. Part 2. And the nicely packaged second part of the lock here. They do have such a great presentation. So I need to get out the instructions and figure out how to install this. Alexa, set the studio switch lights to white. Alexa, set the studio switch to white. And it does get bright in here with that. Alright, let's get the instructions out. Checking out the installation manual here. Step 1 is to install the deadbolt. And it says if the back set is 70 millimeters, turn the faceplate 180 to extend its length. And the deadbolt would be right here. Let's go ahead and get you guys clamped. And we just simply undo this. I've not looked at the door yet, but inside of this, if the latch hole is round, contact customer service to receive a round drive-in faceplate. Okay, the latch hole is probably not round. It's probably the same as this guy. Okay, we're in front of our door now. We have some towels or shirts. Yes, perfect. Okay, so the first step is to install the deadbolt part, which is right here. And let's see how we have to do that. If the back set is 70 millimeters, turn the faceplate 180 to extend its length. Don't think we need to do that. Okay, so it also has the word top marked on it. Literally fits perfectly. You don't really have to do anything to it. It says to insert this and screw the deadbolt into the door frame. Make sure the word top is face up, and I did that. And it comes with these two little screws right here to do just that. I do have my trusty DeWalt drill right here, guys. It fits perfectly right here. I love this brand new installation and a brand new door. Guys, perfect fit. And now, next step of the puzzle here, install the strike plate, which I did not do yet. The strike plate would be on this side, right here. This plate is way too big, and I don't think the door will close with this in. Oh, I guess it will. So it doesn't fit the door. The door is not routed out for this strike plate. So this is way too big to fit there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the lock without this strike plate, because I don't want to go ahead and screw into the door. It doesn't fit. So I'm gonna do it without it right now. It comes with a strike plate reinforcer, but like it doesn't fit my door. So strange. It's like a wide, it's like a super wide plate. Alright guys, so we have the interior assembly here, and what you do is you take off the cover somehow. Going to figure that out, right like that. Somehow you install this. Okay, while the battery is charging for the smart lock, we have the Kwikset lock to put in here. Checking out the outside of the Eufy doorbell and security lock with that peel sat. That peel sat is real, and there it is. There's the outside of that, and then there's the Kwikset lock installed and looking so fresh. But this battery is dead, so we can't really do anything. But here's the final install. Now, the piece of the puzzle that doesn't make sense to me is this. Has a regular strike plate, but yet this has this huge plate that doesn't fit the routing on the door. Will probably still close and shut properly even with this on. I'm gonna wait till the battery's charged on the lock and then test that out. And that is going to be the next step. As soon as that battery charges, it might take up to 6 hours. Guys, I completely forgot that there is a step to this that I left out, and that is the doorbell chime. This is the Wi-Fi bridge and doorbell chime, and it comes with this little adapter for 110 volt that you have to screw on. So you basically put this on and then turn it somehow. And I need 2 hands to do that with, so I'm going to do that now. A tiny little cute little doorbell adapter thingy is ready to go. I had to screw on a little adapter plate to it, and right here and right now you literally just plug it into an outlet like this, and then the rest of the step is to use your Eufy app to go ahead and set up and configure the doorbell, but it is not charged yet, so we're waiting for it to charge right now. We have successfully charged this battery all night long, and the little light on the back did turn blue, acknowledging that we had charged it. We got the base station set up and paired by scanning the QR code on the back. We ordered an SD card for it, but it says delayed in transit, so I don't have an SD card to put in this guy here. So I don't know if the video works at all without that. I don't think it will, but we're going to go ahead and set up the rest of the lock now that we have the battery charged. So we have to set it up and pair it on the phone. Alright, finishing this lock is as simple as sliding this battery in and putting the back cover on. The one up front makes us tone when you put the cover on. Interesting. Did not do anything. Let me see if it works.
Please download the Eufy security app to complete.
Okay, it did acknowledge, so we have to add it now. All right, guys, we are back, and we did get our extra tiles in, and we got a floor mat in. So our job right here and right now is to just simply finish what we started with this tile. Back over here by our doorbell, there should be an SD card slot in the side. It is right over there on that side. I don't know which way this thing goes in, but let's find out. Not like that. Okay, SD card is in. Now all we gotta do is go to the app and make sure it works. Last part of this project is clean up. So I brought some cleaning supplies here and my lithium ion vacuum. I do need to put this strike plate on the door at some point, so I'm gonna leave that here so I remember to do it. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the whole room. Hey guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing Studios. I am Brad, and today we are bringing you this Eufy security video smart lock and also the Kwikset regular doorknob that we just installed right back here on the Supercar Street Racing door. And at the same time, we also did the foam tile all over the brand new door and got this place sealed up like it was meant to be. It used to just have a regular shed door on it. And as you know, we converted this into a 4K production studio. And now we have a real door and a real door lock and a video doorbell. And you can see right here, right now, that the Eufy security video doorbell is about 300 bucks. So we went ahead and put that in, and it does show video on the actual phone when you walk up to the doorbell. Really cool thing, and I will have the install steps in the video you just saw just now. And this will be in the link in the description along with the Kwikset doorknob. Guys, please buy everything through our affiliate links. It helps us out greatly, and we really appreciate your support and help at Supercar Street Racing, and we will see you guys on the next one.